Everybody, how's it going? This is Shaun Pritchard here, otherwise known as Sean P, or just Shaun, or just hey, that guy that makes coding videos. I just wanted to make this little video for this channel to let you know that this is my personal channel that I use for work, or I use for like personal family stuff, or just stuff that doesn't reflect me teaching programming, coding, data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, all the cool stuff is on my other channel. So if you actually go to the link, it should be right next to you or in the description below, and you can actually get to my learning channel where I teach programming, code skills, and a whole bunch more. So thank you. Sorry, this is the wrong channel. Don't mean to confuse you, but you can see the one's called Shaun A. Pritchard. That's my middle name. If you're on that one, that means you are on my basically my personal YouTube, because I've got like tons of different categories lined up and they're open to the public videos I've saved, and I wanted to have a real clean category set of information and content I'm creating, so that's why I created the other channel. So other than that, have a great day.